Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to find all your Facebook likes by date using your PC. Whether you're looking to revisit posts you've interacted with or organize your activity, this guide has got you covered. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your computer. Once the homepage loads, locate your profile photo in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. This will take you to your personal profile page. Next, look for the Settings and Privacy option. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Activity Log. This section allows you to view and manage all your Facebook activity in one place. Now, under your Facebook activity, click on Comments and Reactions. From there, select Likes. This will display a list of all the posts, photos, and videos you've liked on Facebook. To filter these likes by date, look for the Date option at the top of the page and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear where you can choose a specific time period. Once you've selected the desired date range, click Save Changes. And that's it. You now have a customized view of all your likes sorted by date. This feature is perfect for revisiting old memories or keeping track of your interactions on Facebook. Thank you for tuning in. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might find it useful. See you in the next video.